In this video, we are going to create an image like Midjourney for free. And one good thing about this website is that you can create unlimited images from this website. And you can make unlimited variations of the same image. If you learn to run this website well, you can create better images and variations than Midjourney. So first of all, you have to sign up on this website and create your account. For this, you have to open your browser and click on the search bar of the browser. And here you have to write playground.ai and then enter. So here on the first number, you will see the playground.ai website. Simply click on it and open it. You will see the first time website look like this. And here you will see clearly written, create any image from your imagination. So you can create the image as you want. For this, you have to click on Get Started. And then a page will come here. Click on Continue with Google. And here you have to enter your email ID. And then click on Next. So a page will come in front of you. And here you have to enter the password and then click on Next. So you will log in successfully to the website. The look of the website will look like this. But you don't have to worry about it. I am going to tell you everything in this. So first of all, let's cut this image from here. So on this website, here on the first number, we will see the filter. You can select this filter before creating the image. And you can select it after creating the image. And you can apply the filter in it. As soon as you click on it, you will see some of these filters. So in this you will see different categories like realistic, cinematic and dream heaven. So you can select the image you want from here and create the image. And here on the second number, you will find a tutorial to use this website. But I am telling you to use it in this video. So you can learn everything from this video. And on the third number, we get to see the prompt here, in which we can type our prompt and create different images. And if you want to do any separate editing in that image, then you will click on it and turn on this button. So you will get to see a box like this. In this, you can type your prompt and edit the image. And here at the end, you will get to see image to image. In this, you can input an image and make different variations of it. And you can create it in vector image. And let's also see the important option in the right side. So from here you can select the image dimension. How much by how much our image is created. That is, from here you can select the length and width of the image. And from here you can increase or decrease the quality of the image. And from here you can select the number. How many images are visible in front of us while creating the image? You will have to select it from here. If there is more image on your screen while creating the image, then you can hide it from here. And later you can also unhide it. So now let's create an image from this website and see. So first of all, we select the number of images here. Here we need 2 images while creating the image. So we come to the number of images and select 2 from here. And then we come to the filter. After coming to the filter, we take a filter from here. So I am going to take a filter from here. This is cinematic. So we will type a normal command here and show you how much use this website has from Midjourney. So in the prompt, we simply write Omen. Only Omen. So you can see here, there is only one word. And to generate an image from it, we will see the Generate button below. Simply click on Generate and the image will start generating here. So from this normal prompt, we are getting to see some images like this. So if you like any image from this, you can download it. In this image, you will get to see the download button. But if you don't like this image, you can generate more images from this prompt. And if you want more than 2 images, you can come to the number of images and select the highest number from here. And by clicking on Generate, you can generate more images from this prompt. And the second way is that you have to keep the prompt here. You have to come to the filter and select a different filter from here. So I select Realistic here. And then click on Generate. As soon as you click on Generate, the image will start generating. And from this prompt, you will get to see a different image, which is something like this. You can see that the prompt is the same, but you can create images separately. Now you can download any image you like from here. You have to click on the Simply Download button. And this image will be downloaded in your system. So you can create images according to your liking. You will get to see the image as you type the command. So you will get to see the image as you type the prompt. So check the description to see the part 2 of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.